Welcome to the Blender Boost YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about difference between Shift deduplication and Alt deduplication. If you didn't come into our channel, you could watch many videos from inside our channel. You will learn something from them too. I will put the link to our channel in the description. You can come to the channel and watch the videos from that link. Okay. Let's go to the today tutorial. If you come here, you can see two options to duplicate an object. The first option is duplicate objects. The second option is duplicate link. You can see the shortcut of them on the right side, Shift D and Alt D. Now, I duplicate this cube by pressing Shift D. Those are duplicated by pressing Shift D. Now I duplicate to this side, by pressing Alt D. When I rotate this cube, you can see the rotation. Then I rotate this cube is the same. And you could see it rotated without any problem. Also, I grab to up this cube by pressing G, Z, and I do the same to this cube. Now I scale this cube. I scale this cube too. Those are worked without any problem. Then, what the difference is? I select this cube and go to the edit mode. Then, select the edge select tool. I select these edges. Now I press the Ctrl B, and bevel edges like this. I go to the object mode, and select this Alt deduplicated cube. Then I come to the edit mode again. You can now see, when I select one edge of this cube, selecting the same edges of other cubes. Not only edges but also faces and vertices. Now I go to the object mode, by pressing the tab. Here other objects are working as before. Now I will show how to scale applying works. These are the transforms of this object. I press Ctrl A, and apply all transforms. When I am trying to do that for Alt deduplicated object, it will show an error. It will happen to these objects which duplicated by Alt D. I go to the material preview mode. Now I will show how to material working with these two types of duplication. I go to the material properties and change this material color. The same material applied to all objects. I undo that step. I select this cube and create a new material from here. I rename it after changing the color. Now you can see the color changed. Other objects also like that, which duplicated with Shift D. I am trying to do that same changing to these objects, which duplicated with Alt D. But those linked objects are turned to the same color. I may call linked object white. I think you will understand how to material works with the linked object. I am not going to talk about anymore. You will understand by watching. These two cubes are not linked on this time, but it applied the same material at this time. Now I can change this color. I will show how to separate all linked objects. Now I select these all by pressing Shift left click. After press the Ctrl J, to join all together. Then I go to the edit mode. And I press A to select all. After pressing the P to get separate options. Then select the third option called by loose parts to separate all. Now all objects are unlinked. If you want to separate some selected object, this is the way how it is doing. I duplicate this again by the Alt D. Now you can see these are the linked objects now. If I want to unlink this object, first select this, then select another object which linked with that object by pressing Shift to left click. Press Ctrl J to join and go to edit mode. Now press A to select all. Then press P, and by loose parts to separate. Now you can see this object unlinked from others. Here another example of Unlink. Sometimes we will need linked objects, and sometimes we don't want. So now you can decide which time to use Alt D or Shift D. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit a like. Then if you like our contents, please subscribe us. Take care. Love you all. Bye.